What's up, everybody? Let's go
One,
party!
two,
Party!
three.
Party! I'm not driving, which is a good thing. Ode is the driver for today. Alright, just focus, okay? Focus on the road. So we are heading to Costco.
Oh, I thought you said post office.
Yeah, after the post office, we go Costco to buy some rice because rice is life. We eat a lot of rice, so yeah, and we have to replenish the rice dispenser into the rice cooker. Oh my gosh! You stopped like 5 seconds.
Oh my god, stop complaining. I'm the driver.
Oh, that dog. Oh, you can't see.
Craving for some chicken.
My world. My world. My world.
Popeyes is like what, Net? What do you think? Oh, sorry, that's me. I don't want to put on my seatbelt. I mean, we're just in the parking lot.
Papa is like a KFC in the Philippines.
Oh yeah, it's like KFC in the Philippines. Better though. I think Popeyes is better than KFC. I mean, at least the KFC over here. But the KFC in the Philippines, I think it's good. I don't know. Just something about the taste, right? To Costco because we need to buy rice, banana. Oh! Here's our list. Rice, banana, mango, cuties. Costco is
SNR in the Philippines.
SNR in the Philippines. Yes, I saw a vlog of Judy, and the brand for the SNR inside is like Kirkland, which is exactly like Costco. And even inside the store really looks like Costco. So anyway, see you guys inside. Bye!
This is cool. Dang, expensive. What are those?
Laundry basket.
Oh. Lobsters.
Ahi tuna. How come the colors like that?
The rice. Here you go, the rice lab. Go get the rice. Rice is life.
Only $10 for a healthy life.
Healthy life is happy life. Alright. In orange, you're so picky.
I'm trying to make sure.
There's no what?
Bad. Oh no, this is not mango. It's this papaya. How can it be so big?
Over here, mango.
You have nice sets.
Let's go.
Sorry about that.
Whew, cold as hell.
Hi! How are you guys doing today? Today I figured I need to put away the Christmas tree. Our little Christmas tree. Ta-da-da! Bam! I'm going to put this away today. And also this thing that I put in our fireplace. Dun, 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 dun. You guys, goodbye. Thank you.
Photographs and memories, Christmas cards you sent to me. All that I have are these to remember you.
Let's get this started. Alright, done! Today, I am going to prep our breakfast for the whole week. And I have this mason... I have this mason jar from Target. I got it for $3. So, yeah, I got all these at Target. And I spent about $9 for this. I have been doing this for a week now. I prep the these things. Bam! I got this at Target. And some granola. What I do is I put some in the mason jar, and then the night before I would then put some yogurt, and then that would be our breakfast. So then that is where it goes after I prep it the night before. We just got done eating dinner. And Ian just got done. What did you do?
Hi, I'm the one who washed the dishes. cooked the food,
Wait,
and
don't lie.
prepare-
You didn't cook the food. We bought it.
Yeah, the sisig is superb, you know?
But you lost.
Yeah, I always
So-
lost. I mean, like,
He lost. That's why he ended up washing the dishes.
I know, I'm the cleaner.
It's also a special day because it's my papa's birthday.
Oh, yeah.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
How old is he?
Papa,
54?
if he was still with us, he would be 42 plus.
Yeah, around like 53, 54. Right?
Yeah. So yes, it's his birthday in heaven. Yeah, he's no longer with us, but he's always with me in spirit every day. I always talk about him, right?
Yeah.
Every day, all day.
Papa Uding.
Yeah, happy birthday, pa. If you're watching, subscribe. Okay, so tonight I want to try this. So when I went to Target, I picked this up. What is that behind me? Is your jacket? So I picked this up at Target. Ta-dang! Baby food. I want to try this.
Funny.
Let's try it together. Come get the little crunchies in mild cheddar. I think this is good. Kids loved it, so I think I would love it too. Remember when we went to church on Christmas Eve?
Yeah, I saw that. It's
Like I saw, yes. So the reason why I got this, on Christmas Eve, we went to church, and then right in front of us was this baby, and she was munching on this. And at that time, I was really, really hungry. Like, we went to church around 5:30, right?
Yeah.
And we didn't eat dinner yet, and this baby was eating this. This guy.
Let's just
and
try
I was
that.
like, oh my god, I really want one. So when I went to Target today, I pick it up.
No, that's a lot.
So let's try. Oh, napoy cover. Oh,
Like
smells
it
good,
smell?
man.
Like it smell?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. I love it.
It tastes like junk food.
Junk food.
Oh, for real? I thought it's baby food.
It's good though.
But tastes like ordinary junk food. I mean,
No, it tastes like sweet corn.
unlike Mubi, in the Philippines, like,
Oh yeah, but that one's chocolate though.
yeah.
Good.
Alexa, what is cheddar?
Jenna, the first name.
Oh my god, this is good.
Alexa, good night.
Good night. Sleep tight.
Wow. Alexa, please play Bottom of the Rainbow.
Okay. You can sign up anytime by saying, sign up for Amazon Music Unlimited. Here's a sample of Bottom of a Rainbow by Kanye Minor.
See? That's the sample.
In the country, yeah, that's where you'll find me. In the front seat,
I love this song.
Bronco baby. I
Fine as a ransom, very romantic.
We lie by the ocean, drive by the sun.
Can you grab me some water, please?
Alexa, grab water Odyssey.
I can't find the answer to the question.
So yeah, guys, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Aloha, mabuhay. Bye.